Adding a payment gateway to your Hostinger website involves integrating a platform to securely process online payments. Follow these steps. Choose a payment gateway. Select a reliable gateway such as PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, or others, based on your business needs and regional compatibility. Access your website builder. Log into your Hostinger account. Navigate to website, manage and access your site builder. Install a payment plugin. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Select plugins, add new. Search for a plugin compatible with your chosen gateway, such as WooCommerce for e-commerce or Stripe Payment Gateway. Click Install Now and then activate the plugin. Configure the payment gateway. Access the plugin settings in your dashboard. Input the API key or account credentials provided by the gateway service. Set options like currency, payment methods, and transaction preferences. Test the integration. Use sandbox or test mode to simulate the transaction and ensure the gateway functions correctly. Publish and go live. After successful testing, publish the changes on your website. Your Hostinger website is now ready to accept payments securely.